Morning, myself ARS from IARE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. My topic is Context-Aware AI System, the topic under AI Foundation. Introduction to Context-Aware Computing. Context-Aware Computing refers to systems that dynamically adapt their behavior based on environmental or usage or system context. The fundamental definition by Schley and Tremorer, 1994, described context as a location, identities, or nearby people, objects, and change to those objects. Moderate context-aware system leverage sensor data fusion and machine learning to refresh contextual states in real time. Applications span smart environmental, autonomous vehicle, healthcare, monitoring, and personalization recombinant system. The core challenge lies in auxiliary modeling, representing, and re- resonating over uncertain and dynamic contextual data. Define context in AI system. Context is formally defined as any formation that characterize the uh, si- situation of the entirety, where entirety can be person, place, or object relatable to interaction. Day framework ca- categorize context into identity, location, activities, and time formation that based for many context modeling approaches. Example: GPS cooperation, CPU loads, calculator events. Context executive station and sensing. Context in acquired through direct sensing, GPS or indirect influence, Wi-Fi, fingerprint, or hybrid method. Sensor fusion techniques as a Kalman filtering or particle filtering are used to combine heterogeneous sensor data for improved accuracy. Context representation models. Context can be represented using key-value pair, object-ruled model, phonologic or probabilistic graphical model. Phonologic-based model used formal logic (OWL) to define context entire relationship and influence ruled for symmetric regionalization. The context model language (CML) supports idential and complete strong context structure with consonantal and qualities media data vector space model enable context into data vectors using techniques like world-to-width or BERT. Context reasoning, context reasoning and influence in inference. Context reasoning involves defining higher level concept states from lower level sensor data using rule based approaches or machine learned model. Network model depends between context concept variables P PCE directly proportional PCE PC. Here is evidence and C is context hypothesis. Context aware machine learning. Context-aware machine learning intelligent contextually features into model inputs to improve prediction, accuracy, and adaptability. Feature auto feature augmentation involves characterized context vectors with input feature. X dash is equal to HC, where HC is raw inputs and C is context. Context management. Typical context-aware system includes layers, sensor, processing, reasoning, and application. The context text to provides resume control widgets, interpret, and perfusion. Middleware solution like Context Nest or CASS support distributed context sharing and event drive communicate. Temporal context and time series modeling. Temporal context capture how context evolves over time. It's critical for presenting future states. Time series models such as ERIMA or state space model forecast context C T plus 1 AC T C into DUT plus WT, where W is process noise. Spatial context and geolocation. Spatial context includes location, proximate, and movement pattern derived from the GPS, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth location. The location used context and personalization. Used context includes independent performance, emotional state, activities, and social relationship influence from behavior and biometric. Collaborative filter in a recombinant system uses item context matrix RUIC and U into U, V into I, W into C for T. Context away destination marketing. Decision making under context use framework like a particular of observable Markov key visual processing means POMDVS. The PMDVS couple CATR omega O includes state S action A transfer T rewards are observational and uncertainty in context modeling. Context data in narrated uncertainty due to sensor noise, incomplete observation, and obvious interpret. Probabilistic model represent context as a random variance with a distribution. PC update or influence. Evaluation metrics for context-aware system. Axiomatic measure correct on context classification. ACC. TB plus N PN plus TN plus FP plus FN. Precision and recall revolution election quality P is equal to TP by TP plus FP. R is equal to TP by TP plus FN plus with F1 is equal to 2 PR plus P plus R. Application in autonomous autonomous vehicle used to context weather, traffic road type to adjust speed, path planning, and sensor fusion still. Challenges and research direction. Scalability remains a challenge as a context dehumanistic grow with multi-user, multi-device environment. Context drift occurs when statistical properties of context change over time, requiring continual learning. Case study: Smart campus navigation system. The context-aware indoor navigation system gives students use real-time location class. So, right, BLD become provide location estimate with trituration D1 DI is equal to 10 per omega D R SSI do I minus I by 10 per n, where A is reference R SSI at 1m. Thank you.